half of the house. We also redid the fence. Used the Sherwin-Williams special water-based primer and water-based polyurethane paint. It'll last 10 times longer than oil-based paint. There's the final of the house. There's the final video of this house. We did this cedar specially rebuilt turret. There's a staircase on the inside of the house. This is all cedar stained to customer specifications all the way up. And here's the final video of this project. We built a new covered patio attached to the house. Stained the wood with Sherwin-Williams stain to match the rest of the shade arbor. And the cedar trim of the house. This is the shade arbor. And the design matches the house with the 1x2s, the way the homeowner wanted it. Put some LED lights in the ceiling, special operating fan in the ceiling.
Keep your home in its best shape with Mr. Happy House, a local and professional GAF certified roofer and James Hardie Siding installer with over 32 years in business.